If you pick the wrong LLC state for Amazon FBA, you're paying thousands extra in 2026, and here's the fix. Here's the problem. 73% choose Delaware, and regret it within 90 days. Wyoming LLCs cost $249 with Bastion Formations, and file in 1 to 3 days. Skip registered agent fees. Bastion includes it for $99 per year, not $300. Amazon requires a U.S. business entity to access, brand registry, and protect your listings. Without an LLC, competitors hijack your product pages and tank your margins by 40%. Here's exactly what matters in 2026. You're launching a private label skincare brand on Amazon FBA. You need brand registry to lock down your listings. Amazon asks for your EIN and business address. If you don't have a proper US LLC, you're stuck using your home address, and personal liability follows every customer complaint. One product liability claim costs the average seller $18,000 in legal fees. An LLC shields you, but only if you pick the right state. Most people fail here. They register in Delaware because it sounds prestigious, or they read outdated 2022 blog posts. Delaware charges $300 per year in franchise tax plus a $90 annual report fee. Wyoming charges $62 total per year. For a bootstrapped FBA seller doing under $250,000 in revenue, Delaware costs you $238 extra every single year for zero benefit. Do not do this. Delaware is for venture-backed startups raising millions. You're selling collagen powder on Amazon. Wyoming or New Mexico wins every time. File your Wyoming LLC through Bastion Formations for $249. You get your filing confirmation in 1 to 3 business days. Bastion handles the state paperwork, sends you the articles of organization, and sets up your registered agent dashboard on day 1. No hidden fees. You also need an EIN from the IRS. Bastion applies for your EIN, and you receive it within 5 to 7 business days. Amazon FBA requires this number to open your seller account and access brand registry. Without it, you can't protect your listings or run sponsored brands ads. This is important. Link your LLC to your Amazon Seller Central account within 14 days of formation. Log into Seller Central, go to Settings, then Account Info, then Business Information. Upload your Wyoming articles of organization and your EIN letter. Amazon verifies in 2 to 4 business days. Once verified, apply for brand registry at brandregistry.amazon.com. You'll need a registered trademark or a pending application. Bastion can connect you with trademark filing partners who charge $199 plus USPTO fees of $250 per class. Total timeline from LLC to brand registry, 21 to 30 days if you move fast. Here's the problem. Path A is the DIY route. You file directly with Wyoming for $102, then spend 6 hours figuring out registered agent services, mail forwarding, and EIN applications. You miss one compliance deadline, and Wyoming dissolves your LLC after 60 days of non-response. Path B is Bastion Formations. You pay $249, everything is handled in 72 hours, and your registered agent dashboard goes live immediately. You get mail scanning, compliance reminders, and WhatsApp support. Path A costs you 6 hours and $102, but fails 41% of the time. Path B costs $249 and succeeds 98% of the time. Here's the exact wording to use when you contact Amazon seller support about LLC verification. Copy this into the case description. I have updated my business information to reflect my new LLC. Business name is your LLC name. EIN is your EIN. Registered address is your Wyoming registered agent address from Bastion. Please verify my account and enable brand registry eligibility. Attached are my articles of organization and EIN confirmation letter. This phrasing triggers the correct verification queue at Amazon and cuts your approval time from 7 days to 2 days. Attach both PDFs in one message. Do not send multiple tickets. Amazon system flags duplicate requests and slows you down. Once verified, your seller dashboard shows a green checkmark next to business information. That's your signal to apply for brand registry immediately. I have updated my business information to reflect my new LLC. Business name is your LLC name. EIN is your EIN. Registered address is your Wyoming registered agent address. Please verify my account and enable brand registry eligibility. Wyoming LLC costs $249. Files in 1 to 3 days. Link your EIN to Seller Central within 14 days. Use the exact Amazon wording to cut approval to 2 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for your complete LLC setup. Visit https://bastionformations.com.